Ryan Little.
Hi guys, it's Klaudia. Welcome back to my channel. And so the April event has finally gave us some exciting goodies which we were able to pre-order last Tuesday, and they are available right now to order. And so we have got the iPhone 12, still 12, but it's the iPhone 12 mini in purple. And I have also made an order for AirTags, but I will leave that until the next video. I think we should just focus on the iPhone mini for now, as it's the most exciting thing that's happened this April. As you might have seen in other tech YouTubers that have already unboxed it, and I'm super jealous that they got theirs like 2 days after the Apple event. But I was patient and still managed to get it on the earliest day possible. And so I actually didn't think I'm going to be doing another iPhone 12 mini video. As you might have seen, if you're here from my previous iPhone 12 mini video, then do give me like, I don't know, like little heart emojis or something in green so that I know you're from the other video. And so we was actually taken a bit by surprise for this new color to come out so later down the line, because it's already April, and we are expecting another event in September for the iPhone 13, and usually later down the line the product Red gets released after the original lineup, but we have already seen that with the iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 mini. And so let me just unbox the iPhone 12 mini in purple. Also, if this is your first time buying an iPhone 12 mini, do look at my other videos to help you. I have released a few about battery life and the overall review of the 12 mini. And if you want to know a bit more information about it, apart from the color, which I will be mainly showing you today. And so now we have come to the part of the video where I finally unwrap the packaging. We are going to do this. I'm already loving the purple box, and as you know, the box is still thin, nothing's changed there, no adapter. So, oh my gosh. I think I actually matched the color with my top as usual. Wow, this is really a pretty purple. I think it suits me. Do you guys agree? Does it suit me, or does the green one suit me more? But I think this one suits me the most. So let me just take it out. And we do get the Apple sticker as usual with the cable. But the purple iPhone 12 mini is here, and honestly I can't believe it. So this sort of purple is just the right tone. It does look like a similar tone to the green and also the other colors from the 12 mini lineup. So this color is a bit more saturated than the one we got with the iPhone 11 lineup, because I didn't expect Apple to make the color so vibrant. I love the fact that the edges are sort of in a darker shade, so the edges do stand out really nicely, and this would look really nice with a case because the purple would just really vibrate through the case. So I do like that. So I would really like to have this in a clear case just to show off the purple. And it's the perfect color for the summer. This will look really nice with all your light colored outfits, even for your main phone or your second phone, if you do like having sort of a smaller phone to take on the daily basis. and I'm pretty sure the back of the phone doesn't leave as much marks as I would have thought it would leave. And I completely forgot how small this phone is and how cute it is. I just love how small and compact it is. I absolutely love it. I love the idea, and I do really want this purple tone to be also included in the Pro colors. And I am really hoping, fingers crossed, because we have all seen the concepts of the next iPhone colors, so I am really interested to see if that will actually come true. This sort of, in a way, does confirm we will be getting the iPhone 13 mini, or whatever name they will give for the next mini. And so that is pretty much it. There is the iPhone 12 mini in purple. I actually do want to say more, but there's nothing more to say, and everything is pretty much the same inside the phone, so there's no really need to get into the details. If you have enjoyed this quite quick unboxing of the new iPhone mini color, don't forget to leave a like and also subscribe if you're new here. And a quick update as well, I also have pre-ordered my iPad Pro, which is on the way. Wow, kind of delayed way up until the 20th of May. But if you haven't made your pre-order, do make sure to do it as soon as possible. I have more Apple videos coming up, so if you are interested, do stick around for those. And that is everything from me. I'm just going to go outside and enjoy this new iPhone mini color in purple once again. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. I love how I just have to hold the phone and just be like, bye.